She's screaming. The dog hasn't touched you. And he just like, if you take him to the dog park, he would just chase other dogs who thought it was game. He like.
What? It's Murad. Hello, Murad. Good morning.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. Look, and here's Kirsten. And the back of that man at the refrigerator.
The back of that man.
The back of that. Oh, we got a quick wave. We are at the M&M Hacienda Ranch. Is it the M&M Hacienda Ranch or the?
No,
That's the M&M Hacienda.
Oh, just Hacienda.
Yeah.
And Matthew is making breakfast. I'll be honest with you. Many things can be done today, but we don't know yet because first breakfast. Look at this. This is amazing.
I'm making breakfast.
And Murad is making puppy breakfast.
That's right.
That's the good stuff.
Look at all of our friends here.
Ooh, dog close-ups.
I know. Look at this. We're surrounded by everybody today. Oh, look, come here. You know cute dogs do better on the internet than ugly me. So it's gonna be an adventure day, but we don't know what the adventure is yet. But first, we absolutely have to eat this fantastic French toast. I think I'm in a food coma.
French toast food coma.
Oh my
French
God.
toast made with French bread.
And love.
The only way to do it.
And love.
And dogs surrounding you, asking for French toast scraps.
Yes. But I'm definitely in food coma. That was an amazing breakfast. Like, I'm yawning. I'm ready to go back to bed.
Breakfast provided by the M&M Hacienda.
Yeah. So now we're heading up to Bandelier's.
Bandelier National Monument.
Bandeliers.
For today's video, enjoyment. Oh yeah, you could do a wheel walker in here. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, this is awesome. There's handprints. Did you see the handprints? Weema waka, weema waka, weema waka, weema waka in the jungle.
Who needs to climb a ladder? We just start on a trail and go to the very top. I guess I should go find Kirsten now. Hopefully she's still sitting on that bench and hasn't left me. Kirsten. You there, Kirsten? Where are you? I don't hear you, Kirsten. Kirsten? Kirsten? Woo-hoo. Where are you? Kirsten? Look who I found.
Very echoey here.
It's very echoey. I went all the way to the top.
It's very tall at the top.
It's tall at the top. It took a while. And then...
I didn't hear you scream or yell help, so I assumed that you were not in danger at any time.
No, I was not in danger, but the people who passed you said my wife was waiting for me on a bench.
Yes. I said I sent you on ahead, and then one of them offered to carry me up the hill. I told him no. But thanks for the offer.
Here comes Kirsten. And look, Fry Trail. You had to go in. You have to come out. One way.
I only went part way, for the record.
And I went the whole way.
But nice views, even from part way.
Very good views.
Oh, we're recording.
Oh boy. A little touch and go there.
I stopped when I knew I'd hit my limit. But then we did have to get back to the visitor center.
Yeah, we had to get back to the visitor center, but...
Someone might have been over anxious and went to the tip of the top. That was not me.
But I found Kirsten on the way back.
It's a one-way trail.
I gotta say, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Bandeliers, which are not the guys who serve food at Brazilian steakhouses.
Bandelier National Monument, north of Santa Fe.
Although there's actually no actual monument, I found out.
Yeah, there's not like
Just
a
rocks.
big, it's like a big ode to someone or something.
Ode to something, yeah. But absolutely fantastic, breathtaking when you're walking through there. And we did the entire loop and then some.
There's cave dwellings where people used to live.
I felt like I worked off this morning's French toast.
Yeah, I'm at negative right now, so I'm eating
Negative
M&Ms.
French toast. Making a little room for dinner.
Yeah. But
Well-
I gotta get some candies first.
Definitely probably nap time. Time to take a little respite. So
Well, we're sitting now. So.
worth visiting for sure if you get out this way to Santa Fe. If you know the way to Santa Fe,
If you know the way to Santa Fe, get your butt to Bandelier's.
there you go.
Look out.
I can't. Oh, it's not on. Is it on?
It's on. I can see
Oh, you're shutting
It's
it.
like a Wi-Fi remote.
How are we supposed to see it?
Well, it's not going to cook if we have the cover up.
Let's see. I can see the preview over here. It's still recording. Open the cover, Murad, real quick. Open it. It's still recording. There we go. It looks so good. You can taste it.
Like a sizzly bit. Don't set it on fire. We only have one GoPro.
Today we left the GoPro, the mount on the front of the car. I'm like up there hiking, going. I wonder if anybody is going to steal the GoPro off the car.
Hannah, cheats.
You're like, here.
Oh, that
Sheila.
looks good, Hannah.
Oh, Hannah, that is awesome.
That's
Hannah, you're a
that's
star.
nose camera right there. Betty's a star. Fire.
This is the Maragadar tour of the home. Everyone's a star here.
Everyone's a star. Oh, hi, Hannah.
I got tequila. Tapping the dog with tequila.
How do you guys like your steaks?
I'm a medium rare person.
Okay.
Well, that's kind of like close to moo, isn't it?
Moo is good.
And Scott?
Medium's fine.
Okay.
Medium, just under medium is fine.
I'm a vegetarian.